Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a quick voiceover tutorial for you. I'm getting ready for school. I have Calc 3 this lovely morning. I want to die. But yeah, I did like a soft matte look with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, feel free to keep on watching because I'm going to show you. Today I am taking my Shade and Light eye palette from Kat Von D and dipping into this light brown shade. First I am going to be taking that in my crease and just really blending it out using circular motions and windshield wiper motions. Next I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade, it's kind of like a warm brown, and just putting that in the same place where I put the crease shade, just a little bit lower. Next I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade that you see right here and really deepening up the outer V of my eye and kind of taking that outwards towards my eyebrow and like a V, you know, just like pulling it out. After I'm done pulling it outwards, I like to take whatever's left on my brush and run it through my crease just so I have that nice gradient. Next, on a flatter brush, I am going to be taking this cream shade and this white shade and just mixing them and putting them on my eyelid. After I'm done patting that in, I like to take a blending brush and blend out those corners and making sure I still have that nice sweeped out look. Now I'm just taking my liquid eyeliner and adding a wing. I'm starting from the edge of my eye and pulling it out and then sweeping all the way in across my eye. Now I'm just taking my e.l.f. hydrating face primer and just priming my face like I normally would. Now I'm just taking my L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation and dotting it on my face, and then after that I will be blending it out. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just adding that to the highest points of my face. Just going to be taking my Coty Airspun powder and baking my face with that, putting that in the same places where I put in the concealer. Next, I'm taking this bronzer and highlighter duo from ColourPop and just bronzing up my face. Next, I am taking this Tarte blush that I got for my birthday from the Sephora thing and just blushing up my face. Just putting it on my cheekbones and across my nose. Next, I am taking this ColourPop highlighter in Frosted and just highlighting my brow bone, and then I'm going to be going in with my fan brush and highlighting my face with it. Now I am just going to be putting on mascara. Now just going in with my favorite eyebrow gel. Just taking that on a spoolie and gelling down my brows. Also, if you see my lips moving, I was singing, so sorry. Now I'm just adding this ColourPop lip gloss to complete the look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's voiceover tutorial. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up to the sky. Thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I'm hungry. Yeah, that's all for me.